All wheels, huh? Yeah. Goddamn, it is all wheels. You got steering wheels. American Force.
What's Omar's brother name? Amin. He here?
He's off.
Off today? Omar's here?
I haven't seen him. If he is, he's probably around, but I haven't seen him.
Alright. What about Fat Boy?
He's off today too.
And now everybody you know ain't here. Now if y'all need rims, well, we in Texas.
Oh, they got Omar right here. Oh my God.
Hey, how you doing?
California, they look at your shop.
How you doing, man?
Hey, how you doing, man?
So he wants to look at your shop.
Yeah, look what I'm doing.
You alright?
Yeah, you
Alright. Where the big truck?
Oh, I'm not here right now.
Man, y'all installing for real up in here. They got.
What's going on, man? Good. Everything alright? Yes, sir. I'm just showing him he from California. Come on. Oh, cool.
Yeah.
Now this is where we all work all the time. Now you want to show them over here.
Yeah, he
Now.
wants to see the
We're
whole
gonna see the whole operation.
Okay.
I'm gonna let the world see what I see. Then that when they know when they.
I'll make sure.
Okay.
This wasn't over here at first. This was over there.
Uh huh.
So now they're doing their own little thing.
Okay.
So all this set up.
They said like mass production up in here, so when they get some cars in, yeah, this is all tire changers.
So man, they got like a whole bunch of them doing them at one time.
Uh huh. Yeah, I'm seeing. Those American Force wheels, yeah.
Yeah, he got it all, bro.
Uh huh.
Outside.
Break you down. Yeah.
We'll go around here. Older stuff that we used to rock.
Yeah.
This the newer truck stuff,
Yeah.
you know.
Yeah, I'm seeing.
All the older stuff. Old stuff.
Uh huh.
Some of the newer stuff.
Oh, some of the newer stuff, yeah. Oh, I like that right there.
Right? You see the old people sometimes bring back one sell stuff.
Uh huh.
We're gonna move around to some new stuff in a minute.
Okay.
Cars.
Man, they got every rim that you could possibly want.
Everything from the old days to the new days.
Uh huh.
This is the 2000, 2007.
Yeah, like the velocities and stuff like
Yeah,
that. Yeah,
2007.
because I had a pair of them on my van.
Yeah,
The velocities.
It's all 2007.
That's all 2007. Yeah.
Yeah. So you come around,
Uh huh.
2009.
Okay. 2009.
Come over here. Remember this? This is the new one. This is the biggest you can get. 8 bolt. All that.
Yeah. This is what era we talking about here?
2003.
2003,
4.
2004.
Them right here.
Okay.
The top two. Then you start moving down. 2004, 5.
Yeah.
Whatever.
And you start moving up to new, getting a little bigger, a little bigger.
It's a warehouse.
Uh huh. Tires on tires on tires.
Okay. So everything over here on this side. Old school.
This is the newer stuff what we get into right now. I'm seeing the Camaro wheels dropping off. Up to date. The bill's even changing now. We moved up a level. It looks like. Oh, now we in the big boy stuff now.
All this.
Oh yeah, American Force. They got them all in American Force. The adapters that go to the 18, the diesel wig stuff.
28, 26. They get 30s.
Mhm.
For the dudes.
Mhm.
So, this is 20. This is 28. No, that's a 26. That's 26. That's a 26.
Yeah.
26. 24.
These look real good when on them Fords. Them Fords got the big hips on them, on the Fords. And on the Dodgers too.
Then you come to the 28s,
Mm-hmm.
26s.
We talking dunks out here. I see
30s,
5 lugs and all that up in
30s.
here.
These are all 30s, 30s.
Mhm.
So these are more like trucks. So this, yeah, that's
6
the
lugs, yeah,
six.
yeah, 6
Those are
lugs.
trucks.
Yeah.
So all
I see some
trucks are-
5 jumped in there. That's the Chevy stuff right here.
Yeah.
Chevy and Caprice and stuff up in here.
5.2 truck, all truck.
Okay. Okay, big lug truck. Yeah, yeah, okay.
Yeah. Then, car. That's small road. That's car.
Yeah, that's car.
That's car.
Ooh, that's a lip on there too. But it's deceptive because see, the lip is there, but then the inside level jumps out.
Yeah.
So it'll still get in a certain situation that's better. Yeah, as opposed to the
32. It's
yeah,
32.
like the ones we looked at yesterday was sitting far in like that, so it's gonna poke out further. This will you can be able to tuck that up underneath something a little better like that.
28.
Uh-huh.
28 dude.
Oh, they even brought in some spokes.
So then you got car.
Uh-huh.
So like say BMW, Bentleys, and all that.
Yeah.
You can do this if you don't want to do the offset,
Yeah.
right? But then if you want to do the offset, it's staggered look.
Mm-hmm.
Here you go.
Okay, okay.
This you look.
Yep, that's me.
Camaros and all that stuff that you want to put it on.
Mm-hmm.
That's it right here, bro.
Tell y'all, I know some people know some people.
All this. Remember these? That's what
Yeah.
everybody want.
Yeah, I've seen these on some of the Miami videos lately. I've been seeing this
Yeah.
wheel.
They'll get you these in about 3 weeks.
Mm.
Mount it up at your house.
Wow.
You know? Both of them.
Uh-huh. Oh, okay. It's like the old school, like the old school,
That's the cap out. It's
yeah.
a floating cap.
That's a
Floating
good
cap.
look.
Well, he ain't got the floating cap in there because people probably try to take it.
Yeah.
But usually, all these have floating caps in them. So people be trying to pop them out.
Yeah, so he want,
$500 caps.
okay, yeah, they want to keep those behind the counter. Yeah. Boy, okay. Yeah, this is, yeah. Yeah.
Look at it, man. It's a whole football field.
Uh-huh.
This is a football field. Of the shop.
Yeah, you got a point there. Yeah, that's a football field. That's some distance down there. And I can see how they've grown. If they was in the old section, they've moved over. We all knew wood. That's the old stuff back there. And we into the
And
future.
bro, and they're not done. They still building. So he's gonna close all this in,
Uh-huh.
and then he'll put his little TVs on the wall. That he
Whole
uses
display,
there.
whatnot, yeah.
Man, he has it all hooked up in here.
Okay. Man.
More American race.
More American forces over here. Then you got all the steering wheels to match the rims. Yeah. That's, yeah.
You ain't gotta wait.
Yeah, it's right there. You ain't gotta wait. It's right there.
And this is probably an old rim.
Mm-hmm.
You ain't gotta wait. It's right there. Tires, bro. I don't care what size tire it is. He got it.
Mm.
He got storage is back here, bro. Containers full. Full. All the way down, all the way down.
Oh, Lord.
And back some.
Oh yeah, he doing it real big. What they said in Belly? Yeah, he doing real big. Yeah, yeah.
He full, bro. You know, there's no waiting here.
Mm-hmm.
Not unless it's a ring that's a common ring.
Mhm.
Everybody want it. Man,
So you got all the fuel. Like I told you, we were talking about the just changing the cap from XD to fuel.
same ring.
Same rim.
Same ring.
This is what I need. I needed a pair of those right there.
Oh, he got it.
Yeah.
The 14 or 13.
I want 13x7, 72 spoke.
Yeah, 13 by 7. He got them.
Let's ask that question up front.
See over here.
Yeah.
We said that we sold them the tires for the 215, the 30-inch tire, right? And unless it was used and it's in good condition, I see it, you know? That's what it was. The meat, remember I told you I want big meat.
But you cannot go bigger than that.
You can't go bigger than that?
Yeah, it's Lexus, bro.
He wants a price on those dates or those wire wheels, those 13.7. He gonna put them on.
Yeah, lowrider
The
wheels.
low rider wheels.
What size?
13.7. Those spokes.
Okay, you can give them the price of the 37, Habibi?
Which one?
The 13 by 7 lowrider wheels, the
Oh,
chrome
the
ones.
13.7 wire
Yeah,
wheels?
the
The chrome?
chrome 72 spoke ones, not the 100 spokes.
Yeah, just the wheels with the knockoffs.
Yeah,
Those right there, those are going to be right at 1,500.
1500. How much with the tire?
With the tire, I can't get 13-inch tires right now.
Yeah, for sure.
Yeah, so it's only just wheels.
Yeah, okay, just the wheels, 1500. Okay, just want to know what they was going for.
But that's the wheels, the knockoffs, the adapters.
Yeah.
Everything. How much? 1,500.
Oh, I mean, we got to take the Omar. Break the price.
For the, you know what they do with my
Make
cord?
it work, man. Come on.
But I can use
What are you
somebody
talking
else.
about?
Make it work for like 13.
For 1,300?
No, I'm not done.
What are you
Let's
gonna
see
do
what's
now?
up.
Get Jack State at a different Harbor
I
Freight.
talked to Amir. You know he's gonna make it
You
happen.
did it like that?
Yeah.
You gonna make it happen too.
Let's see what's up. I got you.
But they got to go to California though.
I'm gonna charge the shipping.
How much shipping like that cost?
To California, it's like $400. Yeah.
Right back to where I was at. So I might as well get them
I
in
can ship them
California.
too.
Oh, that's right. You can bring the wheels and thing.
When I come to Bakersfield,
Oh, okay.
Bunch of
you
shit.
just let me know and then we go from there.
I don't like my truck because
Let's find the number for sure. What the real number is all the way.
Yeah. We get it for whatever you said. The 13.
No, I don't like